Bostadsmarknaden, jag bara, fan passa på att köpa nu.
Ja.
Så här rätt. Jag bara, det är värsta läget nu.
Men
eller? Det är fan grön. Alltså, vad håller han på med?
turist.
Shit.
Can be the last fight because I wanted to make the walk again, so I'm making the walk again. I'll win the fight this weekend, and I'll just I'm okay. I'm so much my family so excited about the prospects meeting. Everybody makes me feel all things I do. The moment I can fight it, it opens up a big space for me to spend with my kids and my wife. So the other side looks good too. But right now,
decided yet? Is that fair? Are you leaning in one direction or the other?
You know, I did that in the Olympics in 2008, and I said, this is the last time I'm ever going to get on the scale at 211, you know, so no matter how I feel. I don't want to say this is the last time I'll step in an octagon, because then what if it's like win, lose, or draw? You know, you start giving yourself...
Whole thing that I just do it, and I'm going to do what I would do. Fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a mixed martial artist. He's not going to be wiping tears. I'm just doing it. No, he's not. Weighing in at 170.5 pounds. Comma, I'm not worthy. And Matt's waving silently into a microphone. Matt's all of a sudden a 1920s black and white film. I'm trying to...
Jävlar. Vad fan var det där då? Körde med öppen dörr, ser du?
Ja.
Oj, hon stängde den.
People like to be around each other. When you hear someone talk about, oh, I'm just alone or I want to be by myself, like, that's a fucked up person. Like, most people